Hi, Kipsters. Hi, families. Get ready for today's number corner. I know you're ready when your thumbs are up and your elbows are out. Get ready. I love math. Yes, I do. I love math. How about you? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Months of the year, get ready. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Months of the year. My turn first. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. One more time. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. Your turn. Today is great job. You all said today was Monday, April 27th, 2020. How many days have you been in school? Count with me. Get ready. 100. Stop. Switch. Count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Stop. Switch. Count by ones. 151, 152, 153, 154. We've been in school a new day, so I need to add. That's right, I need to add one more. Great. Let's count again. Count with me. 100. Stop. Switch. Count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Stop. Switch. Count by ones. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155. We've been in school 155 days. I'm going to go ahead and write that number in our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Next question. Is it odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? Is the number 155 odd or even? And how do you know? Take 10 silent seconds to think. Is the number 155 odd or even? And then ask yourself, how do I know? Counting down in 10, 9, 8. Ooh, some friends already know in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. I heard a lot of friends said the number 155 was odd. Give yourself some love if you got it right. The number 155 was odd because there's a 5 in the ones place, and you know that 5 is odd. One more time. A lot of friends knew the number 155 was odd because there's a 5 in the ones place, and they knew that 5 was odd. If you got it right, say, yep, I got it. Sounds great. Get ready for coins. Coins. Get ready. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. A penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel's worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, a quarter 25. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. This is called a nickel. How much is it worth? 5 cents. That's right, it's worth 5 cents. How do we know this coin is a nickel? How do you know this coin is a nickel? That's right, because he has a break. This coin is called so easy. It's called a penny. How much is it worth? Just 1 little cent. It's worth 1 cent. How do we know that this coin is a penny? You're right. It's facing the wrong way. In A&T, we love to say, it's all up in the Kool-Aid, but don't know the flavor. Ooh, what coin is this? This is called a dime. How much is a dime? Or show me with your hands. That's why it's worth 10 cents, or 2 high fives is worth 10 cents. And how do we know this coin is called a dime? On the dime, I see a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. That's right, that dime does have a straight line. Last coin. This is called that's right, it's called a quarter. How much is it worth? 25 cents. You all got this down pat. It's worth 25 cents. How do you know that this coin is a quarter? Look at this coin. What tells you that it's a quarter? Oh, he does have a little curl. Friends, get ready. Because it's time to switch count. It's time to count up by ones. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Stop. Switch. Count up by tens. 21, 31, 41, 51. Stop. Switch. Count up by ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Stop. Switch. Count up by fives. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Stop. Switch. Count up by twos. 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100, 102, 104, 106, 108, 110. Stop. Switch. Count up by ones. 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Stop. Switch. Count back by tens. 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. Stop. Switch. Count back by ones. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28. Stop. Switch. Count back by tens. 28, 18, 8. Stop. Switch. Count back by ones. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great job. Switch counting. Today, I want to go over some shapes that we know. So, if you were watching Miss Alice's videos on YouTube last week, you would have remembered when she went over some shapes. Today, we're only going to go over these two. Who can tell me? Who remembers what this shape is called? So easy. It's called a square. You're right. This shape is called a square. How did you know this was a square? Okay, because it has 4 straight lines. But what's special about a square? All 4 lines are the same what? That's right. All 4 sides are the same length. All 4 sides are that's right. All 4 sides are the same length in a square. It's also a closed shape. Say a closed shape. That's right. It's a closed shape with 4 straight sides that are the same length. And they have 4 straight or right corners. That means you can put like a little L in each corner and it will make a perfect square. That's how we remember that this shape is called a square. Let's look at this shape. Who remembers what this shape is called? So easy. This shape is called a rectangle. How do we know this shape is a rectangle? Okay, it's a closed shape just like a square. Yeah, you're right. It's a closed shape. How else do we remember that this is a rectangle? That's right. It also has 4 straight sides. But what makes a rectangle different from a square? How is a rectangle different from a square? Thank you so much for helping me out. I forgot. In a square, all the sides are the same length, But are all the sides the same length in a rectangle? No. Only the opposite side is the same. So this side is the same length as this side. And this side over here is the same as its opposite side. So the opposite side is the same length. But a square, every single side is the same length. So we know, let's review. This is called a square. It's a closed shape. It has 4 right corners or 4 right angles. And all the sides are the same length. This is a rectangle. It's called that's right, it's called a rectangle. It's also a closed shape. And you can put a little L in all the corners to show that they are right corners. And it does have 4 straight sides. What makes it different from a square is that all the sides are not the same length. Thank you so much for helping me review how to figure out if a shape is a square and how to figure out if a shape is a rectangle. I can't wait to see what other shapes we review later this week. Bye, Kipsters. Bye, families.